Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices for the 23rd of February. There's not a lot to report on the DAX today. We've had a little spike down, but I'm still considering it part of the correction that's going sideways across the 14,000. And we can't go long until we've got 14,000 as the support. I know that this will be our third crack at this, but yeah, patience is the virtue here, and we just simply need that 14,000. We've got a nice, I mean, we could look at this as an A, B, C, D, and E here. We could look at it as we could look at it in different ways. As you may know, from the low here, we could count it up as 5 waves to wave 1 here, and then back for wave 2 here, and then going up further. But also, as I've mentioned before, I need to mention it again, that on the physical market, the cash market, that's not the low. This is the low on the cash market. So in that case, we can count it up as 1 and coming back for 2 here, and then going up for 3 here, and then coming across for 4, and then going up for 5 to make wave 1 up there. And that presents a good case, because if this is the third wave coming up here to the top here, then the 38.2% retracement level is where it's being supported at the moment. Of course, the 13,000 is the closest largest number, so we need to use that, but basically the two of them are quite the same. So look, there's just not a lot to report here. Once this becomes the support here, then we can go long at that point. If you're long already, then leave the stop under the last low here, the 13.8. We can have a look at it on the hourly chart. So we just need the market to prove to us that it can, sit up here on the 14,000, and it's just simply not there as yet. So that's what we're waiting for. The spike down here creates a slightly different count. I've moved my B wave back from here to here, but it's probably not the right thing to do either. But still, there's different ways to count it, so it doesn't really matter. As long as this low now stays in place, then everything is still to the upside. But we need evidence. We need to see an impulse wave moving up into this space here, and we don't really have it so far. In fact, it looks more like a third wave. I mean, a 3-wave price action here being corrective. So yeah, not a lot of change. Support on the 14,000 creates the long trades at this stage. I'm calling this corrective because of the overlapping wave structures we've got in wave A here, but that's not the case on the cash market either. So we just need to be a bit mindful of that too. So that's why it can be counted as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave for wave 2 here. But yeah, still remains that we need that 14,000 as the support. The FTSE, yesterday we talked about, or the last few sessions, we talked about changing this count here. So we had blue wave 4 sitting over here, and then looking for this move up here. And it's still possible in terms of wave 1 and 2 here, and then 1 and 2 here. But I think that's diminishing, because the move down through here, it does appear that it can count in 5 waves here. So in the nutshell, it's looking like we need to treat this here as an A wave, a B wave in 3 waves, and then down for 1 here, back for 2 as we talked about yesterday, and down for 3, 4, and 5 here, looking for those 5 waves down in that in this instance. Yeah, and the thing that helps confirm that a little bit is this move down through here. It just appears that it's in 5 waves. So I mean, it's not the best looking 5 waves, and there's some issues with it. As I pulled it apart on a tick chart, down here is okay for 5 waves, then wave 2 here. Now this next wave down here really looks like it's in 3 waves here. So maybe we could look at it as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, and put wave 2 over here. But then I've got that extra wave in here. So looking at this as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for wave 3, then wave 4. And then also wave 5 is the same as wave 2 here. It's in like 3 waves here. So there's an issue here, and there's an issue here as well. So it is possible for this to come back up near the wave 4 here, even though I've got it as 5 waves down here because of those two issues, this one and this one. It's possible for this to have another move down through here before seeing a nice corrective rally off this for further downside. If this market is going to rally off the current lows, then this move here will pull back into the 50-60% retracement level here, the beginning of the supply of that level of that consolidation. So it can certainly move up here as an ABC pattern and then move lower in that regard as well. So it's really only above the 6-7 here that we would be able to consider it being bullish at that point. So because we don't have a trend here, I mean, it sort of looks bullish in a way, the whole thing, but this here as an ABC to the upside here, yeah. Yeah, so I have to treat it like that, you know. I have to treat it as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave there for the B wave, and then down for 1 here and back for 2 here as that move, and then down here for 3, 4, and 5 until proven otherwise in some way. I mean, can this be counted down as an ABC pattern? Maybe, but I just don't see it, you know. I know there's problems with this, as I just talked about, but all in all, you know, that's wave 1 and 2 here, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So that's all quite fitting in there as the 3rd wave and a 4th wave and the 5th wave here, just because it hasn't given me a nice 5 waves down, hasn't finished that nicely. You know, could be part of an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, and have one more move down. I just don't see a nice trade set up here, folks. That's the bottom line. Yeah, so there's nothing I can really sort of say or do. If you were going to go along here, how would you do it? Well, you just have to go along above this high here and see how far you get. I don't even like that, because this is doesn't appear to be 5 waves here. It appears to be corrective here. So I think it's just going to get a little bit messier in here. So nothing to see here, folks. So we'll move along and leave it at that. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.